Which statement best explains why the author describes debris cleanup in paragraph 2 as a game of cat and mouse? A. The satellite separates from the spacecraft like a mouse escapes from a cat. B. The satellite will have magnetic docking plates. C. The principle of operation of the satellite resembles the game. Or D. The satellite's speed will be up to 17,500 miles per hour. The imagery of a game of cat and mouse brings to mind one thing chasing another in hopes of catching it. With this in mind, let's go through our choices and see if they share this sentiment. A. The satellite separates from the spacecraft like a mouse escapes from a cat. Although it's true that the third sentence of the second paragraph tells us that the spacecraft and the 17-kilogram satellite will separate, nothing in the text hints to their relationship being like that of a cat and mouse. Cat and mouse implies one thing chasing another, not something escaping. This can be marked as incorrect. B. The satellite will have magnetic docking plates. If anything, the metal docking plate is attracting the satellite, not chasing it away. This can be marked as incorrect as well. C. The principle of operation of the satellite resembles the game. This is likely our answer. As the spacecraft is attempting to grab the satellite, in this situation the spacecraft can be compared to the cat and the satellite to the mouse. This seems to be our answer, but we'll look at choice D just in case. D. The satellite's speed will be up to 17,500 miles per hour. This really doesn't bring to mind the imagery of a game of cat and mouse, as it simply tells us the speed of the satellite. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect, and C can be marked as our final answer.